Justice is black and white.
Robbers are wrong,
Coppers are right.
but for a penguin it isn't quite.
Cause both the robbers and the coppers are black and white. Bad birds, they roam in packs. Vicious penguin pencilmaniacs with cold hearts that never thaw. You can waddle away, but you can't out-waddle the law. Oh, what you gonna do when it gets hot in the cold at night? And who will avenge you when you're dying from a penguin bite? Calling all units, I need backup, over. 1, 2. Penguin police, out on the beat. Happy feet, but no black and white cars. Ooh, penguin police, gonna lock up your ass. Gonna put you behind penguin bars. Now the penguin cop says reach for the sky. The crook flaps his flippers, but this bird won't fly. The penguin judge sends him down, straight to the cooler in Penguin Town.
But the penguin crook only stole one fish to feed his starving family.
Ooh,
To feed his starving family.
but there's no shades of grey in penguin morality. Penguin police never give up hope, though it's a slippery slope, and they're mostly corrupt. Ooh, penguin police, smoking fat cigars. You better get in line before they pop a cap in your ass. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if we all lived in harmony? Put our differences aside and reduce inequality. Even a little bit. Just a little bit. Make it safe to walk the streets, and justice is not for sale. No, no, not for sale. No, no, yeah. Oh, wouldn't it be sweet to live in a fairy tale? Get 'em, boys. Send in the Navy SEALs to hunt the penguins down. In a world of crime, only strength can prevail. Ooh, Navy SEALs, enforcing the peace. It's the constant threat of violence that makes us respect the police.
This next song is brought to you by the environment.